Hello, welcome to another video. Umut here. Today I really wanted to answer one of the most common questions that you guys ask me, so I decided to make this video, and from now on if someone asks I can refer to the video and it's more clarified. Sticky pages. A lot of you ask me how do you prevent pages from sticking to each other. They sometimes stick and are hard to open. And I have an answer for that. If your pages are very sticky, and which mediums make it sticky, and what do I use? So I use these two mediums. One is cold wax medium, and the brand is Gamblin. Artist's oil colors it says, but I use it for this, and you can easily apply it with your hand. It's a wax. Feels like this, normal cold wax, and artists use it for different purposes. And this is Distress Glaze from Tim Holtz. He seals his distress inks because they move with water with this, and it's exactly the same thing. It's a cold wax, whichever is available to you, or whichever is economical, whatever you want to buy, you can get these things easily. So apart from making the pages not sticky, these also work to seal all watercolor mediums, like the mediums that move when you add something else on it, so they have double purpose. So let me show you how I use them. Let's open a page. For example, this page, I have modeling paste, and modeling paste can be sticky. So if I close it, this might stick to each other. This didn't, but let's say they have the risk and you don't want them to stick. I just take a little bit wax in my hand and just go over this area that has the potential to stick. Let's say I took a lot of medium in my hand. I just rub it with my hand, and it definitely protects. Like, I tried it many times. And then here and here. So when you do stenciling, 3D stenciling with modeling paste or any other thing, you can use this on top. And Distress Glaze is the same. Let's use glaze on another page. For example, this page I by mistake journaled reverse, but it doesn't matter. So this is 3D gloss paste that I used with paint, and it's the same. It might possibly stick, so I'm just using my glaze on top, which makes them, I just use it here, and if it goes, the rest, you can glaze all your page if you want, but I don't feel the need to glaze everything. This is not going to stick. And here, all, and then it won't stick. I think I glazed it. I used cold wax already, so it didn't stick. For example, if you used I'll show you, if you used stickers, Nuo, 3D elements, these crystal drops, they have potential to stick, so you can use on top of them as well. For example, metallic paints, I'll show you. For example, this type of metallic paints, acrylic paints, have also potential to stick. So you can buy this and actually use it all over, because this is metallic paint. And I think it was sticking here, and I put it here. So you can just rub it all over your page. I'm not using a large amount. I'm just taking a little bit and just rubbing it all, and it doesn't affect anything. And for example, heavy body acrylic paints, like this, heavy body not craft paint. So for example, this has more potential to stick because its formulation is heavier, more dense. It's not a bad quality thing, it's what the paint is. Then this craft liquid mixed media paints, it's normal because of their formulation. So if you have anything that has potential to make your pages sticky, or if you experience it regularly that they stick somehow, I would recommend these two products. Just rub it on your pages and you will make your life easier, and your pages probably won't stick. So yeah, that's all, I guess. There's nothing more that I can say. I hope this answers your questions, and I hope you are safe and healthy, having a good day creating. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.